Today's lesson is mean absolute deviation, which is sometimes referred to as MAD. Mean absolute deviation is the average of the positive differences between each data value and the mean of the data. Sounds pretty confusing, but it's actually pretty simple. It just takes 4 steps. Find the mean, subtract the mean from each of the data points, find their absolute value, and then find the mean of those numbers. Let's go through these examples. First, find the mean. We have 5 numbers, so we're going to add those 5 numbers together. Then, divide by 5 to get the mean of 42. Next, we're going to subtract 42 from each one of the numbers in the data set. 48 minus 42 is 6. 44 minus 42 is 2. 38 minus 42 is negative 4. Repeat it again because there are 2 38s in the data set. And then 42 minus 42 is 0. Find the absolute value of these numbers. The absolute value is how far a number is from 0 and is always referred to as a positive number. The absolute value of 6 is 6. The absolute value of 2 is 2. The absolute value of negative 4 is a positive 4. And the absolute value of 0 is 0. So we're going to add 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 4 plus 0. Again, there are 5 numbers, so we divide by 5. This gives us a mean absolute deviation of 3 2/10. Let's look at another example. We have 8 numbers. Step 1, add all the numbers together. Step 2, divide by 8 to get the mean, which is 4. Then subtract 4 from each one of our original numbers. 6 minus 4 is 2. 2 minus 4 is negative 2. 5 minus 4 is 1. 4 minus 4, I skipped. 1 minus 4 is negative 3. Sorry, y'all. 4 minus 4 is 0. Another 4 minus 4 is 0. 3 minus 4 is a negative 1. And 7 minus 4 is a 3. Find the absolute value of these numbers. So we have a 2. The negative 2 also changes to a positive 2. The 1 should be a positive 1. Negative 3 is a positive 3. And the other negative 1 is a positive 1. Add these numbers together. Notice I made a mistake on this. That number, negative 2, should be a positive 2 there. We're adding our numbers together and then dividing by 8. When we do that, we should have 1 5/10. Complete the next 3 examples in your MPJ, take a picture and upload it for proof of your classwork.